Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
GCCI welcomes the budget in the sense there was no taxes imposed by the new government in place, and one positive step which he has taken is that he is going to increase the tax net and try to bring in more and more businesses which are not registered under the tax net, and also improve on the revenue generating departments which are there, the policies and the ways of methodologies which they are using. So this will surely help the government in ramping up more and more tax. We have given some more suggestions to the government which we expect some action from the government side, especially on the ease of doing business part, where we have told them that professionals should be posted as chairmen of or managing directors on these corporations. So there is easy way of getting things done for the general public and also the industry. Also, we had also requested that all industrial estate infrastructure like roads, water supply, electricity, those need to be looked into.
रेव्हेन्यू जनरेशनाचो फोकस असो दिसूंक ना. जे कितें उलयता पळय ते कशे पयशे वांटप हाचेरूच चड भर असो दिसलो म्हाका. मायनिंग बंद जालें, रेव्हेन्यू कमी जालो, कितलोसोच कमी जालो. आतां तो म्हणटा विदीन इतल्या पिरियड मायनिंग स्टार्ट जावन इवन 650 he has made a provision that the income will come from mining. I am doubtful about it. ते एक गोष्ट दुसरी जाली tourism. आता ताचो what he is saying that he will be stressing on tourism, IT. And surprisingly, he has given a statement that he doesn't want a production-based industry in Goa. I fail to understand what he meant by that.
हजारो कोटीची आकडे एक्झॅक्टली आकड्यांक उलोवपाक काय अर्थच ना. हजारो कोटीची रीण म्हातार आसा. हे रीण कशे तरेन आमी सर्वीस करतले. आतां आमी जे कितें पयशे सरकाराक केंद्र सरकाराक धाडटा ताचो वांटो आमकां सगळ्या राज्यां प्रमाणे जो कितें फॉर्मुला आसता त्या अनुसार आमकां मेळटा. ग्रांट मेळूंक ती ग्रांटय मेळटा. कर्ज रुपान कितें दिवंक जाय तेंय सगळें मेळटा. परंतु गोवेकर आज खंय उरला